Hello Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all, Virgo. Pauna mensahe ninyo, Page of Pentacles. This is good news coming your way. May mga detalye, balita na paparating sa inyo. And this is magandang balita because this could be balita about opportunities, no, na maaaring related sa trabaho, karera, negosyo, property. Siguro meron kayong binibiling property, bahay, lupa, mga ganon. At maaring may mga pinail din kayong loans, maaring ganon din ang ganap dyan, ano? At maaring ngayon mabalitaan ninyo na they are approved na, they are ready for pickup na, yung mga ganon. Or kung mga bilihan man ng properties ito, baka ready na yung documents for you to review, no? At para pirmahan. What else? We have Knight of Cups. Ayan, this is really good. Lalo-lalo na if you are single and if you are looking for love. Kasi this could signify that someone is siguro nanliligaw sa inyo or merong kayong nililigawan, something like that. At maaaring papunta kayo sa pagdi-date, no? Maybe you're going to ask them out or her out or him out, no? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon, or baka kayo yung aayain na mag-date kayo. So possible na ganon ang ganap dyan, okay? Love life, yan, may kilig. Ace of Pentacles, napakaganda naman ito because this is a new beginning energy. Magsisimula kayo ng bagong chapter sa buhay ninyo in terms of your kaperahan dito, no? Meron ditong kakaroon ng mga financial opportunities, meron ditong pagkakaroon ng financial blessings, no, na maaaring maghatid sa inyo ng financial prosperity in abundance, financial success, financial freedom. So mababago na dito yung inyong financial landscape, Virgo, no? Ito yung pagkakataon na magkakaroon na kayo dito ng continuous inflow of abundance and prosperity into your life. So this is really, really beautiful. Maaari din na meron ditong yung panggagalingan ng perang ito could be from various sources, hindi lang isa. Maaring sa trabaho yang galing, sa negosyo ninyo or career ninyo. It could also be possible na galing yan sa mga panalo. Maaring meron kayong winnings dito or maybe a windfall. Merong magbibigay ng pera, magre-regalo, magbabayad ng utang. Diba? Maaring mga ganon. So, what else? We have Two of Pentacles. Ayan, multitasker kayo, no? Marami kayong ginagawa all at the same time. You are taking care of so many things sa buhay ninyo, juggling many things, opportunities, or chores sa bahay. Ano kayo, marami kayong ginagawa. You always have a lot of things, no, to attend to, no, Virgo. Kaya this could be asking you to balance back, no, to bring the balance back sa buhay ninyo para nang sa gayon may panahon kayo para sa lahat. May panahon kayo sa pag-aalaga ng sarili ninyo, self-care, self-love. May panahon din kayo sa love life, may panahon sa pamilya, at sa iba't iba pang bagay, no? Kailangang may balanse para nang sa gayon maging maayos ang takbo ng lahat sa buhay. So, what else? We have Nine of Cups, Virgo. Napakaganda. Napakagaganda. So, this is wish coming true. Okay? This is your wish coming to fruition. Really beautiful. For some of you, maaaring ito na yung pinaka-wish ninyo. At saka, hindi lang iisang wish ito. Maaaring more than one wish. Kung ano yung siguro pinaka-sincerest wishes ninyo, maaaring yan ang ibigay sa inyo ng universe at this time. Kaya you're going to be feeling ecstatic, very happy, excited. Kasi ito na, kung anong gusto ninyo, yun na ang matatanggap ninyo. Yun ang mangyayari, yun ang mag-unfold. Kung single pa rin kayo, maaari din na now is the time for you to fall in love. Magiging masayang-masaya din kayo sa bagay na yan. So, we also have the Emperor energy. This is stability. So, napakaganda rin kasi maaaring maging financially stable na kayo sa ngayon, maaaring eto na yung pagkakataon na magsisimula na kayo na mag-build ng inyong financial empire. You can ensure as well na magkakaroon na kayo ng financial future, stable na financial future, makakapag-establish na kayo ng financial security and stability ninyo at this time dahil marami ang maaring finances na parating sa inyo sa ngayon. Kung nagtatrabaho naman kayo, baka merong promotion dito into a leadership role for some of you. Or kung hindi naman, baka brand new dad na kayo sa ngayon or magiging brand new dad. So, good luck. What else? So, angel number 6666 ang bumagsak. Okay, so great blessings. Wow, napakaganda. When it rains, it pours, which is really beautiful. Now is the time for self-love, no? Setting boundaries, taking care of your needs. Okay, good vibes lang dapat, no? Ang ipoproject ninyo. And there are things also that will leave you some kind of wisdom sa ngayon, understanding, and you may also need to let go of something na hindi na importante sa iyo. Sabi dito sa card, nurture yourself. Ayan, kailangan ng self-care, your needs, desires, and boundaries. Let go of things that are weighing you down. Make space for something meaningful and expand your spirit to all areas of life. That big love, opportunity, or job needs to squeeze in somewhere. Kaya kailangan talaga na mag-release kayo ng mga bagay, tao, sitwasyon sa buhay ninyo na hindi naman na mahalaga sa inyo, hindi na nag-serve ng highest good ninyo and just occupying a room sa buhay ninyo. Let go muna yan dahil maraming parating na bago, no, na mas makaka-support sa inyong soul's growth. So, good luck. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.